Girl, if you're feeling this way, it must exist in every way. You're always disappointing yourself. You don't mean it, just be cool about it. Bury the hatchet, it's not that simple with a girl in the mirror. And if they always do it for you, why can't you just do the same? Bury the hatchet, it's not that simple with the girl in the mirror. Sun keeps smiling, I don't feel so well, girl in the mirror. And I can't quit these whispers. Oh, girl in the mirror. And I know I can dodge a missile. No, I know I can crack a mirror. I'm stuck with these shimmers. And I know it's not like heaven. No, I know it's not. It's only me in the mirror. Dankjewel. Ik moet even omstemmen hoor voor het volgende nummer. Ik ben Iris Jean, of Iris, zo kennen jullie mij. En ik heb een hele leuke band, of mijn halve band meegenomen. Veel op toetsen. En Bo op gitaar. En het zijn mijn beste vrienden, dus dat is wel extra leuk. Het is heel leuk dat we dit met z'n drieën kunnen doen. Het volgende nummer heet I Got an Idea en het gaat over een idee hebben. Maar het idee komt eigenlijk nooit uit, maar dat is oké, want het is een idee. Loose change on a summer evening, I just pretend we got a million of them. I drive a Mustang, hands out the window. What if we get away to the greatest city, driving safe, surpassing 150? If it's alright, it's alright, it's alright with you. 'Cause I got an idea. It's not so good, but at least it's an idea. It's not so good, but at least it's an idea. It's not so good, but at least I got an idea. I got an idea. And if we stop round the corner of that coffee shop, steal some liquor and we just drive off, smoking out the window. from afar. I see the Hollywood hills, we stop the car, and then you kiss me again. If it's alright, it's alright, it's alright with you. 'Cause I got another yard, and it's not so good, but at least it's another yard. It's not so good, but at least it's another yard. It's not so good, but at least I got another yard. I got another yard. Ooh, I said, take me on a journey to leave our things and go. Let's go into reverie. Don't let my mother know. I said, take me on a journey to leave our things and go. Could I go? Is this a reverie? 'Cause I got another yard, and it's not so good, but at least it's another yard. And it's not so good, but at least it's another yard. Oh, it's not so good, but at least I got another yard. I got another yard. I got another yard. Dankjewel. When we grow older and leave to the middle, I wanna hold you until your heart opens. Leaving by the end of it, don't you let her show. Leaving by the end of it, don't you let her know. 'Cause when we grow older and leave to the meadows, I can hold you until your heart opens. Don't you let, don't you let, don't you let her go. Don't you let, don't you let, don't you let her go. 'Cause when we grow older and leave to the meadows, I can hold you until your heart opens. Dankjewel. Dankjewel ook aan Menno en ten Westen, de gasfabriek. Ik werk hier al super lang, dus echt super cool om dit nu te doen. En ik hoop dat het echt super vet wordt elke maand. Ja, dankjewel.